Hello all, welcome back. In today's video, I would like to talk on a recent update by UGC on 28th May 2021. This is continuation to the 40% courses which are offered by the SWAYAM courses and credit transfer to the universities. So I will quickly go through the this update. This is with reference to the UGC letter on 11/2021 SWAYAM dated 26 March 2021, wherein UGC had shared UGC credit framework for online learning courses through study webs of active learning for young aspirant minds regulations 2021, which has an enabling provisions for an institution to allow up to 40% of the total courses being offered in a particular program in a semester through the online learning courses offered through the SWAYAM platform, which means that in a semester, if for example 10 courses are offered per semester, in that at least a maximum of 4 courses taken from the SWAYAM platform. So as you are aware that the nation has been in the grip of coronavirus pandemic since 2020, which necessitated the closure of higher education institutions, and currently also with the second wave, higher education institutions continue with the online education for uninterrupted learning. To encourage continuity of learning amongst students, UGC also shared the links of various ICT initiatives of MOE and UGC, including the MOOCs being offered on the SWAYAM platform with universities and colleges. In the current scenario of the second wave of COVID-19, universities and colleges are requested to make optimum use of SWAYAM platform for benefit of the students or learners. The list of 83 UG and 40 PG MOOCs courses which are ready to be offered on the SWAYAM platform in July to October semester 2021 is enclosed herewith and may also be seen at SWAYAM portal. It is brought to your kind attention that SWAYAM courses may be approved and adopted on the recommendation of Dean Academics and heads of the department for credit transfer and ratified by the Academic Council. The universities which have accepted SWAYAM courses for credit transfer and those in the process of accepting the SWAYAM courses for credit transfer are requested to fill the UGC online form. Looking at the current COVID-19 pandemic scenario, to the universities and the colleges are requested to popularize these SWAYAM courses amongst students and faculty through website and various social media handles. Honestly hoped that universities and colleges will come forward in large number of adopt the SWAYAM courses for credit transfer and encourage more and more students to enroll in these courses to ensure uninterrupted teaching learning for students. Nearly 83 BTech courses and 40 PG MOOCs courses which are going to offered from the SWAYAM in July to October, the upcoming semester. This is the update news from the UGC. Thank you for watching this video.